Fix 1. Check EA server status. Your first line of defense should be checking the EA server status. This step is crucial because the error might not always originate on your end. Fix 2. Renew the IP config. Open the command prompt as an administrator. Type IP protocol configuration release and press enter. Next, type IP protocol configuration renew and press enter. Type IP protocol configuration release. Renew the IP config. After doing this, go to Network and Sharing Center. Then change adapter setting. Next right-click on Ethernet or Wi-Fi, then click on Properties. After that double-click on Internet Protocol version 4. Then click on Advance, next click on DNS, then Add. Add to DNS server, 8.8.8.8 and 8.4.4.4, now click OK and open the game. The issue will be fixed.
If it helps, then please like and subscribe for support.